Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sapna Balhara and I will teach you English. First of all, I want to welcome you all in your new class. Before starting the class, I want to discuss the marking scheme first. Because when you know the marking scheme, you will prepare your lesson, your writing, your grammar, your reading part well. So, I want to discuss the 80 marks question paper. The 80 marks question paper marking scheme will be like this. The first part is of section A, that is reading part. In reading part, the first question will be of factual passage. There are 8 questions of 1 mark that you have to give the answers from the comprehension itself. You will get the answer in the comprehension. Second question is of discursive passage. There are two parts of it. First is 2 marks for questions will be there. In it, you have to give the answer at least in 30 to 40 words. Next is 1 mark for question will be there. In it, you have to give the answer according to the word meaning. Like synonyms can be asked and antonyms can be asked. Both questions can come in it. This is reading part. Next is your section B, that is writing and grammar. In question number 3, you had to write down an article or descriptive paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to give the answer of any person you have to explain. You have to explain any place experience, any event experience, or diary entry. Means you have to experience, you have to write down your experience in it. And in this question, the word limit is of 100 to 150 words. And the question is of 8 marks. Next question is your story writing, where you had to write down the story. And as you know that story you have to write down in past tense only. Again, the word limit is of 150 to 200 words. And the question is of 10 marks. In the story and article, what are the formats of these two writings, that I will explain you in my new next videos. But the marking scheme of these two sections will be like this. The marking scheme you had to write down in your fair notebook. Date should be there, and the topic you must write down the marking scheme. This is your today's homework. Till then, stay home, stay safe.